Residence permit apply within 30 days of arrival. Valid for 1 year, renewable for up to 5 years. Permanent residency available after 6 years. Georgia. Visa free entry over 90 nationalities. Can enter visa up to for 1 year, but working still requires a permit. Low taxes Georgia offers a flat 20% income. Tax and dual taxation for many experts. Thriving. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into how you can secure a work visa in Georgia, a hidden gem in the Caucasus, and even settle there long term. Whether you are a digital nomad and entrepreneur or are looking for traditional employment, Georgia offers straightforward pathways. Let's break it down. Number 1. Type of work visas in Georgia. D1. Visa for the traditional employment or entrepreneurship requires a job offer or a business registration in Georgia. D2 visa tailored for the freelancer, cultural workers or researchers. Digital Nomad program, the remotely from Georgia. Visa allows remote workers to stay up to for 1 year with proof of 2,000 monthly income. Choose the visa that fits your career goals. The D1 visa is the most common, but freelancer remote workers have great options too. Step 2. Step-by-step application process. Number 1. Secure a job offer or a business plan. Employers must sponsor your visa and prove that role can't be filled locally. D2. Gathers document. Valid passport up to 6 months validity. Employment contract or a business registration. Proof of accommodation and medical insurance. 3. Submit online application. Use Georgia's e-application system and pay the fee. 20 to 100 depending on your visa type. Number 4. Attend an interview if required. Some consulates may request an in-person meeting. Number 5. Wait for processing. Take 15 to 30 days for most visas. Up to 2 months for a long-term permits. Pro tip. Start early. Processing time can vary, especially during peak seasons. After arrival, residence permit and settling in. Residence permit apply within 30 days of arrival. Valid for 1 year, renewable for up to 5 years. Permanent residency available after 6 years of temporary residency. Healthcare and language register with the local authorities. Learn basic Georgian and explore affordable healthcare options. Fun fact, Georgia ranks high for the safety and cost of living. Plus, the wine is amazing. Number 4. Key challenges and solution. Bureaucracy use services like payroll or hire a local immigration agent for smoother paperwork. Cultural integration, learn Georgian phrases and engage with the expert communities. Avoid restricted zones, stay clear or conflict. Areas like Abkhazia and South Ossetia. Why Georgia? Visa free entry over 90 nationalities. Can enter visa up to for 1 year, but working still requires a permit. Low taxes Georgia offers a flat 20% income. Tax and dual taxation for many experts. Thriving expert community. Connect with the digital nomad in Tbilisi or Batumi. Ready to make Georgia your new home? Drop comment if you like a deeper dive into any of these steps. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more expert guides. See you in the next time.